Hi guys, today I will be swatching the Oden's Eye and Angelica Trick or Treat palette. I received this palette as one of my palettes in my Oden's Eye mystery box. I haven't purchased it before and I'm very excited to start playing with it, but I did want to do a swatches video for you before I start using the palette while all the colors are still pretty. So I will show you what the colors look like before I swatch them, and then when I'm done with the swatches I will just tell you what I think first impression of the formula, and at the end I will just add a link to the mystery box unboxing video if you're interested in seeing what other palettes I received from Oden's Eye. Okay, so let's get into it. This is what the palette looks like. It just has a sleeve. I already took off the plastic. It has a sleeve and the palette looks the same as the sleeve, and then on the inside it has a piece of plastic taped to the palette. So let me just remove that because that's going to be in my way. And that's what the colors look like. I really love this color story. Your top half is basically your more neutral, everyday type of looks, and then you've got that 2 or 3 amazing pops of color at the bottom. So I think it's a really well thought out product, and it has these beautiful little imprints on some of the shades that I really like. It's got this whole Halloween theme, and when you really think about it, the orange and the green and the red, maybe even a bit of that purpley color, it's really Halloween themed colors. But it's also if I look at my color story, it's very everyday wearable and really the type of pop of colors that I love in an eyeshadow look. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to swatch from the top row, left to right, and then the next row, and then the next row. Let me just adjust the light. It seems like I need a bit more light. Guys, these colors are amazing. Just look at that color range. And the formula is swatched very beautifully. I'm very, very excited to start playing with this palette. These green colors are really, really amazing. I can't wait to use them. I see this color at the end looks very bluish on the camera, but it's got more of a minty green look in real life. That's very interesting. I hope you guys are as excited about this eyeshadow palette as I am. I know I'm kind of late on the bandwagon with this because it already released half a year ago. However, I'm not regretting the mystery box purchase, and to be honest, I should have bought this palette when it came out. I have no idea why I didn't. I think I probably had too much going on in my life at that stage. But, I mean, come on, look at it. Let me know what you guys think. If you do not have this palette, would you consider buying it after seeing the swatches? And if you do have the palette, let me know what you think about the color story. And then I hope you enjoyed the video, guys. Bye!